Hey everyone, Kaikane Smith here. Greetings from Chiba, Japan. Just in between a break from teaching this crazy sweet group of job flight attendants out by Narita Airport, so I thought I'd bust out a quick video to all of you. This evening's episode is about teaching ESL at English language schools, at universities, and with private lessons. Which are the best to kick off your teaching career, and where should you begin? First off, English language schools, private lessons, universities, or what the hell? What are you going to do? Which are the best to teach at? Where should you begin during your quest of getting rich teaching English? Earlier on in my video episodes, I mentioned that in order to get to the main focus and point of my book and videos, of getting rich teaching English by doing private English lessons and by marketing yourself as the best English teacher in town, you must first start where everyone else starts, including me, where I started a long time ago. That being English language schools, universities, public or private high schools, and so on. After you get your foot in the door, you will be able to branch off and partake in private English lessons. Of course, only if your ducks are in a row and if you know the secrets. This will all be possible by following all of what I've written in my book and throughout my videos, and also by getting in touch with me personally if needed. The secrets and basics are all in there and here, so you are extremely lucky. Also keep in mind the rewards are exponential. I'm living proof, as well as many close friends of mine who have been in the same game and career field as me and are living the life of their dreams through hard work, sophistication, determination, and by using their skills of charisma, seduction, English mastery, and so forth. And here's the little bonus quote of the week, which is one of my favorite own personal quotes. Your fashion should be your passion, as it will eventually determine your success. Ciao for now, fellas. Be sure to check out my website, GetRichTeachingEnglish.com, and get my book if you haven't yet. Also, if you have any in-depth questions that need finely tuned answering, or would like to book a private one-on-one consultation to get the best advice on earth possible on how to find a rewarding ESL teaching job abroad, know where the best places are to teach and move to teach English overseas, and to learn the secret tips and tricks of teaching and how to make tons of money in the process, then please don't hesitate to book an email or Skype consultation with me via my website at GetRichTeachingEnglish.com. I also provide resume revamp, edit, and reference services as well that will definitely help you out on your journey. Have a great day and stay tuned for more awesome videos. Till next time, peace out, keep it real, and stay focused.